Good morning again. We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they will be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Sige, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted within these couples? Ada kumontrato yung wedding ako? No, let us continue. Okay, ang tagdat ko na dawan. This. Hawak ko may kamay niya. Baby, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? Randy, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? And dalawa, do you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed? Randy, will you have Peggy to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? Feli, will you have Randy to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Yung sing-sing, pakilabas na. So, Randy, follow after me. Magab. Okay? I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. So, sing. Follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Suot mo na. Okay? Hadap kayo dito mo naman sa magulang ninyo. Nang anamit kayo yung baga, dito muna. Anamit kayo yung baga, tayo. Nagagyan ka sa? Thank you na yan. Ito yun na. Thank you. Harap kayo sa likod. Matata, nagagay payo, nagagay friends, family, and sponsors sa dadatkoy. Wala tayo ito na. Wala naman kayo iba. Payo, in wish, nagagay ka sa. Thank you na.
Good morning to everybody. Nagpayo lang na kayo na trust. Kahit may pagmamahal kayo kung wala kayong itiwala sa isa, wala ka po. So, love each other. Gaya ng laging tagubilin ng magpapunta sa atin dito. Goya mo.
Sabi na kaya masasabi ko lang, go yet and multiply 3 times.
Pagpalala din yung kumain, respeto, itinggang bansa, wala kang
Tama ng pag-relehan niya. Kung sumubot ka, ang adyakin ka talaga. Mura niya mo sa sumubot mo. Ang isip lang. Paulugyan mo kung kanila. No, ada sesuatu yang siguro penyebaran natin dari sa batang. Mas manual. Thank you.
Oh, Debbie, ngayon naman, ano naman vows mo, promise mo, as a wife to your husband? Sige. Ikaw na kasi.
Ayun, salamat sa pagmamahal na binibigay mo sa akin ni Abby. Salamat din sa pag-iintindi mo sa amin lagi, sa akin. Pinapanaman ko po, lagi ako nakasuporta sa iyo hanggang dulo. Tapos yung pag-aaralan ko ng magluto, tanungan ko na namin luto.
Sige, thank you. Oh, Randy. Oh, sige, ano ka tawag niya cellphone mo?
Salamat din sa pagmamahal mo. Pinapangarap ko sa'yo na kasama mo ako lagi. Pag-harap sa mga pagsubok na dito sa akin sa lagi ka. Kasama mo hindi na lagi.
Okay. So, Randy, follow after me. I hereby take you, Febby. Hawa kami. To be my wife, to have, and to hold, and to be one of heart, one soul, and one affection. Affection. From this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until we be parted by death. We be parted by death. Parted by death. By death. This is my solemn vow. Oh, just a minute lang, Feby. Follow after me. I hereby take you, Randy,
I hereby take you, Abby,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love
to love
and to cherish
and to cherish,
until we departed by death.
until we departed by death.
This is my solemn vow. By the virtue of the power vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as your witness, I, Benjamin Loren Cuaresma III, Municipal Mayor Pampanga of Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which you have contracted and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. Sige, silang picture.
Kiss.
First,
15 minutes.
you may not kiss the bride. Okay, first kiss.
Tingilin na
Kurang.
Tingilin
1, 2, 3 ko na na. 1, 2, 3.
Siguro kayo pa.
Ato pa yung picture ni. Ato pa.
15 minutes. 15 minutes.
Okay, sign kayo. Sige, ninong-nina ako. Witness naman, nagpirma. Yan, picture ito. Yan. Okay. Oh, congratulations. Oh, picture taking. Mabili pa yun. Okay, okay. Okay?
Okay po. 1, 2, 3. Sama po. 1, 2, 3. Tapos po. 1, 2, 3. Ano po.
Okay, naninong lang. Ninong.
Ano po. 1, 2, 3. Ito po. 1, 2, 3. Okay na po. Okay po. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay na.
Dito
One, two, three.